Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails offers a streamlined solution for migrating mailboxes from Exchange to Office 365, ensuring a secure and efficient migration. EdbMails simplifies the migration process by enabling users to transfer emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and notes directly to Microsoft 365. EdbMails supports incremental migration, which means that after the initial transfer, only new or modified items will be migrated during subsequent operations, preventing duplication and enhancing efficiency. EdbMails stands out as a robust tool for Exchange to Office 365 migration, catering to both small businesses and large enterprises. The following methods help you perform Exchange to Office 365 mailbox migration with EdbMails Migration Tool. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Live Exchange Migration. Select Live Exchange to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Exchange server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required migration options. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.